Hello, it's Ruby and today I am going to be showing you my room. This room tour has been so highly requested. I mean, more highly requested than my room back at home. Yeah, I'm going to show you today. I'm really excited to show you and I'm really happy with how my room is looking. Kind of needs a hoover, but other than that, it's okay. So I'm not going to have my tripod up and filming me. I'm just going to show you around. So the first thing you can see is my door with a nice little safety notice on the back. And then here I've got my radiator. On top I've got a door stop. And then I've got this magnet which my head of year gave me before I left school. Then down here I've got 3 pairs of shoes. I bought a total of 6 pairs including my slippers, but these are the 3 that I'm wearing the most. And then I also have got my tripod here. And here is my wardrobe. And at the top, I've got some miscellaneous cleaning supplies. Ironing board, iron, spare tea towels, my calendar for 2019. I've got a mini hoover, a drying rack, this candle decoration, which I actually won in a Harry Potter competition. I think I'm going to put that up either at Christmas or at spring. This is a good place to take a photo of the room. Let me know if you'd like to see a wardrobe tour because I'm happy to do that if you'd like. This is what my wardrobe looks like. So just to give you a brief overview, at the top it's pretty much just jumpers, and also this is a dress that I'm wearing for an event up in London and I've just put it aside so that I can easily pack it. And then here I've got underwear. It doesn't look organised, but it actually is. This is bottoms, tops and pyjamas. Then I've got my 2 pairs of shoes there. I've got a bag of miscellaneous bags. And then all of my laundry is in these 3 bags. I haven't got a laundry basket yet. And then hanging clothes here. And I've also got a nice full-length mirror. So then here I've got my recycling bins and also an Amazon box which I have torn apart. And then here's my coat hook. So I've just got some bags, shopping bags and 2 coats. And then here I've got my dining table, which I actually really like. I decided to make it look really homely and something which is a little luxurious so that when I enjoy my meals I can actually really enjoy them. This is one of our Christmas placemats from home, and I brought this down so that I could add it to my table, plus I've got some tomato on the tablecloth. So then I've just got this set of crockery laid out, and then I've got an autumn home spray, this nice decorative milk bottle. This is olive oil, by the way. I'm getting lots of questions as to what it is. This is a really nice extra virgin olive oil. And then this is my key for my room, and I just keep it inside of this pot when I'm in my room, and it says always remember that you are loved, which was from my mum. And I've also got this in the middle, which is a light bulb decoration. And I like to keep my university bag on here, fully packed. And then here you can see this is my mini kitchenette. So if you haven't already guessed, I am staying in a studio room this year. So it's all self-catered and I don't have a shared kitchen. I get my own kitchen, which I really like. Fire blanket on the wall here. And then up here I've got spare stuff. So stuff that I don't really seem to be using that much. And also that was what was inside of the microwave, but I'm not using it, so I've put it up there. And I've also got Tupperware along here. And then extractor fan, I've got 2 hobs, and then the kettle came with the room, but I brought the NutriBullet with me. So then I've got this sign here which says fabulous, which was sent to me by our really close family friends, the Wallaces. And I've just got some more olive oil. This one is cooking olive oil, and then this is a jar. I like to save the jars, so I've just got water in here now to try and get rid of the smell of pesto, and then washing up liquid and soap. And I've also got my chopping board and then some washing up bits. One thing which I know somebody will comment, so I'm just going to say it now. I know that the fairy liquid isn't vegan, and I didn't realise that it wasn't cruelty free when I bought it. I didn't even really think about it, which is really bad. But when I use this up, I'm going to be looking for a vegan alternative. So then in this cupboard, I've just got loads of food. So that's just all of my dry food. And then down here, I've got tea towels and an oven glove, and this is my fridge, and my freezer is here. And then in here I keep crockery and glasses and spare my pan and things. It's a bit messy at the moment. I can't come up with a system to keep that tidy. And in here I've got cleaning supplies. I've got microwave slash oven. I've never had a microwave before, so this is so exciting to use. Bit here where I've just put my frying pan, sieve and spatula. Now I'm going to move on to my desk. So I'm planning on doing a proper desk tour if that's something you would like to see. So I'm not going to go into too much depth. Here, first of all, is my pinboard, and I just keep my meal tracker and just organisation bits on here, and more photos. And this is a photo of my school year, which I've put up. Stationery, laptop. I've got 3 drawers here, so the first 2 are stationery. And then the bottom one is miscellaneous. So in here it's decoration, so room decor, chargers. This is batteries, and then this is used batteries, which I need to recycle. And then this is this is all GoPro stuff, cameras. Again, as I said, I'll give you a proper, I'll show you exactly what's in here if I do a desk tour. So then I've got all of this wall storage here, which is amazing. So just got my lunchbox, and this is full of scarves, hats and gloves, and then room incense, obviously Coraline. This is notebooks and other books, and then kind of magazines, and then also other things like parchment and ink and my feather quill. And then this is all letter writing stuff and my journal as well. This is my Harry Potter shelf. Then this is books and also my lamp. And then up here I've got folders. Then underneath here, but this is more food. So that's root vegetables, and that's tea. And there are my oats, and that's sweet snacks. Waste paper basket. And then I've got these 2 really cool, these are so useful, these little bedside table boxes. So these are toiletries, which I use when I'm in bed, so things like hand cream and essential oils. I really like using this one before bed, and hand sanitizer, lip balm. This thing, which I use loads, I love this. Then I've also got my headphones, and then down here I've got kind of important documents in this here. My hair straighteners, which I use to straighten my fringe every morning, and then these 2 stress toys. So this is a fidget cube, and this is some Crazy Aaron's thinking putty, because I love Crazy Aaron's thinking putty. So then here is my window, and on it, the windowsill, I've got this leaf, which is actually from home. I picked it up the day that we left, and I've just put it there for some reason. Then I've got this little ornament, which my friend Eleanor gave me. I've got a pumpkin, which I'm planning on eating, but it looks nice here at the moment, so I've put it here for decoration. I've got my coriander plant, clock, white lavender pillow mist, and also another light up decoration, which is Christmassy, but it doesn't matter. Down here, at the back here, it's a tiny bit messy, but I've got my Kindle, which is where I read recreational books, so books not for university, and also my eye mask, and my watch is there. For some reason I'm not wearing that. I usually put it on when I actually leave. And then here is my bed, which is actually probably, unlike in my bedroom at home, my desk is my favourite, but I think my bed might be my favourite in this room. So it just looks so cozy. So of course, along the back, first of all, you can see that I have got my pinboard all decorated, and I love the way that this looks. So I got some photos from Free Prints, which are all of these ones here. And then I've got this Matilda the Musical poster, because I love Matilda the Musical. And then I've got these ones from La La Lab, which are like Polaroids. I've got this poster, which is of Atticus and Scout in the film version, and this was actually sent to me by my English teacher when I left school, and it just makes me so happy whenever I look at it. And you can also see that I've got some fairy lights all around the side. And then the actual bed, I've just got pyjamas, hot water bottle. I've got this really lovely quilt, which I'm obsessed with. It's so warm and thick, which was actually my parents', but they weren't using it anymore, so I took it with me. Then this pink blanket from IKEA, and then just my pillows here. Okay, so I actually realised that I never showed you my bathroom when I was filming the room tour. I said I'd come back to it and then I invariably didn't. So I'm going to show you now. On the door I have got these Polaroid photos. And I really love this one, which is of some people from our camping group. It's a wet room, so the shower is part of the bathroom. On the back of the door I have a shower cap and then also my towel hanging up, the mirror, and I've just plugged in my electric toothbrush, as you can see. So on this countertop here I just have my teeth cleaning things and my toothbrush over here, and then a body mist and a perfume and a face cream. Then I've got some soap and I've got all of my makeup in here. And then here's the sink. And then I've got this towel rack, and on it I've just got a flannel and a hand towel. And I've got toilet paper down here, hairbrush. These are an empty loo roll container, but I need to put that in recycling. So I've got a spare hand towel, a spare towel. And then in here I keep all of my toiletries. I am so glad that I brought this box with me. It's from Muji and it just slots perfectly underneath the sink. And then here's the shower, and as you can see I've just got my shampoo and then my conditioner, my body wash, and this Drops of Youth facial exfoliator. In my bathroom, I didn't point this out, but I've got this painting here. Basically, my friend Hattie was literally, it's the most thoughtful present. She painted me a picture of my old school and got it framed for me for my birthday. There is the bathroom. Thank you for watching that. So yes, that is my room tour, my first university room tour. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I'm really happy with how my university room looks. Thank you so much for watching and have a productive week.